In this video, we're going over 3 things you must keep in mind if you're looking to make money from Fiverr. More on that after the intro. Okay guys, welcome to yet another interesting video on this channel. If you're new to this channel and you're interested in making money online, business, investing, finance, all that good stuff, please join the family by clicking the red subscribe button and the notification bell so that anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Now this is a very quick video where I'll be going over 3 things you need to keep in mind if you're looking to make money on Fiverr. And I'm going to be using my own personal experiences to relay these lessons to you. So a few months back, I ordered 2 different gigs on Fiverr and I'm going to go over the story pretty quickly. So the first gig I ordered was analysis and design of a timber building. So I went to Fiverr buyer request. If you are not familiar with what Fiverr buyer request is, it's just a place where you can say, oh, this is the kind of services that I need, and then people who can provide those services will message you. So I went over to Fiverr in the buyer request. So if you just go over to your profile and you click it, you see here that says post a request. So if you click this post a request, it will take you to a page where you can select the category and type the request that you want. So I posted the request and in less than 20 minutes, I had like 10 people in my DM saying, oh, I can do this for you, I can do that for you. And like I said, it was an analysis and design of a timber building. And I finally settled for this guy who said he could do the analysis and design for me. And I told him I needed the results in 24 hours. Now, in the end, what he delivered was just analysis. And then he began to apologize that the software cannot do design. No, the software is eTabs. So he began to apologize that eTabs cannot do the design. And then he was begging me for a good review. Guys, don't do this. I eventually gave him a 5-star review, but the reason why I gave him this 5-star review is because I understand how difficult it is to grow an account on Fiverr. If I had given him a 1-star review, I could very well ruin his account. But most buyers are not going to be like me. Most buyers are just going to be like buyers. The only reason why I could give him that 5-star review because I understand what it's like to try and grow an account on Fiverr. So the first lesson you want to keep in mind is that you need to be honest about the services that you can provide. Do not promise services that you cannot provide. Like, all he wanted to do was to get me in the door. Oh yes, I'll do your analysis and design for you. But at the end of the day, he could only do the analysis. And I'm very sure he knew from the very beginning. And this could cost you your Fiverr account that you have taken lots of months to build. So don't do that. In contrast to this guy, this other guy that created my YouTube channel intro, the one that you see in this video, he over-delivered. I was just giving him ideas of what I wanted, and he went out there to go and find it. So at the end of the day, when it was time for me to leave him a review, of course I also left him a 5-star review. But you want to be like this second guy and not the first guy. You want to be first honest about the quality of the service that you can provide, and then you want to over-deliver, and then don't forget to ask for reviews. That's also very, very important. And then, like I said, when I wanted to order this first gig, I submitted a Fiverr buyer request, and in 20 minutes I got like 10-20 people in my DM saying they could provide that service. So of course, you may not be able to be on your laptop like 24 hours a day, but if you have the Fiverr app and your notification is on, then anytime somebody posts a buyer request, then you get the notification and then you can reply immediately. If you have a pretty rigid schedule, like mine, I'm a student, I'm a full-time student, I cannot always be on my phone. That is going to be detrimental to my studies. So Fiverr is not a thing for me right now. That's why I'm not doing Fiverr. My younger brother just decided to try Fiverr, and in his first week he made $60. Maybe that's not a lot of money, but judging for the fact that he did it in his first week, there is still potential to make lots of money on Fiverr. And he did it for the article writing gig. So there's money to be made on Fiverr. So if you have a rigid schedule like mine, then forget about Fiverr. But like, if you know you can be on your phone all the time, you can reply to buyer requests pretty quickly, then you should give Fiverr a try. Otherwise, you probably won't get any gigs at all. Like, imagine those people who did not see my buyer request within the first 20 minutes. I didn't even consider them. I was already going through the first 10 people. So another thing to keep in mind, have the app and have your notifications on. And then that was for the first gig I ordered, which was for the design and analysis. This one for the YouTube channel intro, I only sent a message to like 3 or 4 sellers on Fiverr, and then 2 replied pretty quickly. That was this guy and some other person. And then I finally accepted this guy because I saw his samples. So you want to always post your samples on your profile page, your bio and stuff. You want to, because it was his samples that I saw that pulled me in. The other 2 people that I messaged, they got back to me within 24 hours, but then I've already bought this guy's gig. So this goes back to having the app. You need to have the app, you need to have the notifications on, and you need to respond to messages as soon as they come in. So that will be it for this video. I don't want to make it too long. I'm still going to post more videos around Fiverr, but just as a summary, the first thing you want to do is that you want to make sure you have the app, you have the notifications on, and you are responding to messages as soon as they come in. Then you also need to be very honest about the quality of the services that you can render. Do not lie about it, because it can come back and bite you in the ass. Many buyers on Fiverr are not, I mean, they have quick temper, and if they don't get what they want, they don't have any problem leaving a bad review for you. So you want to keep that in mind. If you have interest in making money on Fiverr, I have a Fiverr playlist. Check it out. If you have interest in making money from affiliate marketing, which is what I am interested in, I have also a more detailed playlist that you can check out right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe. Let me know in the comment section the kinds of videos you guys want to see in the future, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.